Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Shortening is more effective at reducing gluten formation in doughs. It also has a higher melting point than butter, making it less likely to smear into biscuit dough, even if you use your hands to mix it. Properly made shortening biscuits are soft and crumbly, with a slightly more cake-like crumb than butter biscuits.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Butter is an easy alternative to shortening for biscuits. Biscuits made with butter are quite flavorful, but may not be as flaky as a biscuit made with shortening. You can use your favorite biscuit recipe, substituting equal amounts of butter for vegetable shortening.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fat is essential for the lightest and fluffiest biscuits. Butter adds more flavor, but shortening makes the biscuits more tender because it doesn't contain water or milk solids. The fat must be cold. Since the dough is soft and the biscuits delicate, place them about 1 inch apart on baking sheets.
Take our lead.
When you set the biscuits on the baking sheet, make sure the sides are touching. As they bake, they will cling to each other, rising bigger and taller. A hot oven helps biscuits bake and rise quickly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instead, lightly flour your surface and then rub your tools, such as your rolling pin or your hands, with flour before using them. This biscuit recipe even instructs you to dip your biscuit cutter in flour before pressing it through your dough and then brush off any excess flour before baking.
Take our lead.
If you're starting with a biscuit recipe that calls for shortening, you can swap in butter or margarine at a 1-to-1 ratio. We even have a recipe on the site from Sweet Laurel Bakery that uses almond flour instead of all-purpose and coconut oil instead of shortening or butter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.